Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Abdul Hakim.
Walaikum salam, Mr. Hamid.
How are you? Please, I called to ask you about something.
What's the matter?
So, I just collected my money from the monthly contribution I do, and now I'm looking for how to invest the money well.
Oh, that's easy now. You can come and invest in the United Capital Sukuk Fund. That's where I put my money and I get the best rate on my investment.
Ah, United Capital. Isn't it for big people? It's only 50k I have. Besides, I don't want to invest in something that goes against my Muslim faith.
How about Mr. Hamid? All you need to get started is 10,000 naira. Besides, it's a Sharia compliant investment, so you have nothing to worry about.
Sharia compliant? Wow. Thanks a lot, Mr. Abdul Hakim. What's their website so I can learn more about this fund?
You can access the fund on their investment website on www.investnow.ng, or you can also get their investment app on either the Android or iOS store.
United Capital, linking you to a world of opportunities.
Money Minute with United Capital PLC on Smooth 98.1.
We're not stopping our investments anywhere else in Nigeria.
United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.
Smooth 98.1, love music, love life. Welcome to a brand new show, Money Minute with United Capital PLC. Now, this show is basically dedicated to helping you manage your personal finance and make more informed financial decisions and ultimately navigate your way to financial freedom. Now, in the studio with me, I've got Martha Ehizele. She is a digital and retail sales analyst at United Capital Securities Limited. And today we're speaking about, well, why am I broke? Financial habits you have to unlearn. Hello, Martha. Welcome.
Hi, Zibi. I'm doing great, and you?
I'm very well, thank you. Remember, you can be a part of this conversation. If you'd like to get in touch with us, send a question, let us know your thoughts or your comments. All you need to do is send a message to us via WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is 0809 444 0981. You can also tweet at Smooth981. All right, Martha, welcome once again.
Thank you.
Now, for people who do not know too much about United Capital, we can talk a little bit about what United Capital is and what they do. Martha?
Thank you, Zibi. So United Capital PLC is an investment banking and financial services group in Africa. We pride ourselves in delivering tailored financial solutions to all our clients across the globe, leveraging technology and our expertise. Our businesses include investment banking, asset management, securities, trustees, consumer finance, wealth management, and last but certainly not the least, Invest Now. That's our online platform, which is a one-stop shop for all your investment needs.
All right, Martha. So this is one I'm very interested in, and I'm sure a lot of people feel this way as well. It's something that a lot of people don't really want to talk about, but at the end of the day, everyone really has to. Now, a lot of people are very comfortable or quick to say they are broke, but they never really want to talk about the reasons why their finances are the way that they are. So, and this is not me right now, but why am I broke?
So I don't know why you're broke or if you're broke, but I can tell you that the reason why people usually go broke is mainly summarized around poor money skills, poor saving habits, and poor budgeting. They either do not earn enough money or they spend more than they earn. It's that simple. Let me tell you, if you live paycheck to paycheck with no savings, you are broke. If you're owing more money than you can afford, you are broke. And if your salary finishes in the second week of the month, I'm sorry to tell you, you're broke.
That's like almost everyone in Nigeria.
That's why we're here today.
Okay, so how can a person actually stop being broke? I mean, even for some people who earn a lot more money than others, people in that situation still find that they are living from paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah.
So how can a person, regardless of how much they earn, actually just stop being broke?
Yeah, you're very correct. I'd say that to get out of brokenness, you have to be deliberate about it. The thing is that you must develop key money skills and learn some bad financial habits. So coming back to what you said, I can guarantee you that no matter how high your earnings might get, no matter the multiple streams of income you create, if you do not have the proper money skills or planning skills, you will always be broke. There are 3 money skills that I believe will take you to the next level financially. These are money making skills, money keeping skills, and money growing skills.
So that's money making skills,
yes,
money keeping skills, and money growing skills.
Yep.
So make it, grow it, and keep it.
Make it, keep it, and grow it.
Okay, make it, keep it, and grow it. All right, make it, keep it, and grow it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's walk through them one after the other. Can we start with maybe money making?
Yeah, sure. We'll start with money making. So you need to consistently increase your income, especially because of the increasing inflation rate. Let me tell you that your income today would not hold the same value next year. So you need to keep finding new ways to increase it. It could be getting a better paying job, or even developing skills that people are willing to pay money for, or even monetizing a skill you already possess. Pick that skill and start to sell it. The goal here is that you need to have a good, steady source of income or multiple streams of income.
All right. So
then next, money keeping. I saw a meme the other day, that said once you step out of Lagos, once you step off your house in Lagos, now debit alert. See, I know that making money is hard, and even keeping it is harder. But you have to create a personal budget system that separates your expenses from your savings. So you have a fixed amount you spend and save every month, and do not mix them. Now my fave, money growing. This one I love and is very special to me, obviously. It simply means to invest and invest wisely. I emphasize on wisely because Ponzi schemes and other get-rich-quick schemes will only bring you back to square one, brokenness, and that's where we're trying to get you out of. You must understand that investing is a long but fruitful game. You must do your research to know what to invest in according to your risk appetite. You can diversify your investment portfolio and invest in multiple instruments, from stocks to mutual funds to trust funds, to help your money grow. Find a worthy and trustworthy investment partner to help you on this journey, like United Capital.
All right. Well, you heard that from the expert. You have to make your money, keep your money, and then grow your money. And I particularly like, Martha, what you said about staying clear of Ponzi schemes.
Yeah.
It just seemed like, for some reason, a lot of people who are trying to invest and do that wrongly fall into the hands of these things. So sad. All right. So remember, if you've got any questions for us, all you need to do, tweet at smooth981 or send a message via WhatsApp 0809 444 0981. So Martha, you did speak about how you'd have to unlearn bad financial habits. Can you just talk a little bit about some of these bad financial habits?
Yeah, so there's
let me see which one I can take that I can admit to having.
Okay, you pay for it after this. Yeah.
Okay.
So there are a whole lot of them that we could speak about. I guarantee you that everyone listening to me can relate to at least one of this. 1, stop living without a budget. You can't live without a direction. You need to make a rule on your income appropriation. 50% of your income should go to your needs, 30% should go to your wants, and 20% to your savings and investments. 2, stop living beyond your means. See, I guarantee you that when you spend above your means, you'll be left with a tray of debts behind you. And this isn't just going to go away magically. If you're spending to portray a lifestyle you can afford, you find yourself in serious financial problems. 3, procrastinating your investment. You need to unlearn that. So you keep saying, I will invest, I'll invest, I never do. I'll soon invest, I will shall invest. All this English, you need to stop it now. So let me tell you, we have a feature on our Invest Now app, the recurrent funding feature, where you can set a time and date for a select amount to be deducted from your savings account right into your investment account automatically. So that way, we're helping you start investing smoothly. 4, stop lending money you can't afford to lose.
Amen.
You need to unlearn that, girl. So if you're not Santa Claus, so stop lending money you can't afford to lose. It's okay to lend a helping hand, but do so when you can afford to do it. I'd always say that if you can't dash it, you shouldn't learn it in the first place. 5, borrowing money. There's absolutely nothing wrong with taking a loan, but make sure you're taking it for the right reasons and that you have a repayment plan that won't render you penniless. At United Capital, our consumer finance has a host of loan products that are built to protect your finances and also offer loans for people who want to invest but do not have enough money to do that. You can start that immediately as soon as you get yourself onboarded on the platform. 6. Stop buying on impulse. I hope someone can hear me. You see that gratification you get from shopping? It will wear off as soon as you see the debit alert. Like, you'll be like, wow, was this worth it? So I'd say that you need to be very disciplined. If it doesn't cut your apportion 20% for once, please do not buy it. 7. Ignoring your bills. The thing about ignoring your bills is that you can't wish your bills away. It's just impossible. You have to pay up your bills and pay them up in a timely manner so they do not accumulate and come back to you on a day where it's so bulk and you are very financially incapable to repay. And my final one, I like this one personally. Stop waiting till you have enough money to invest. People will say, when I become a billionaire, when I become rich and famous, I'll invest. When I have money, when that big money hits my account, stop that. That's really, really bad. I'm very, very glad to tell you this is tested and trusted that you can buy shares of top performing companies in Nigeria with as little as 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. You just need to visit investnow.ng to get started, or you could download our mobile app on App Store or Google Play Store. When you get into the app, you also have several mutual funds that you can invest in with just 10,000 naira. So you see, you don't have to wait till you have a lump sum to invest. You can start investing right now.
We have some questions. Let's look at some of the questions. You want to add something?
Yeah. So I just want to, I'm done. I said if we could go on, there are a lot, but I'll just stop here. I have a final advice, and this is for parents. Please, the fruit of your labor is not a retirement plan. Depending on your children to take care of you in old age is really risky. Instead, why not protect yourself now by creating a retirement plan? So the good news is that at United Capital, we offer trustee services that cater to this. The earlier you start, the better, my friends.
All right, we've got a lot of messages coming through. Let's start with this. This says, I'm Abiola from Surulere. I have a question for United Capital Securities. If I invest in stocks, what do I stand to gain?
Hi, Biola. Thank you for tuning in. So yeah, the good thing about stock trading is that it's a double reward win. You enjoy capital appreciation when the stocks you buy at low prices could appreciate higher. Also, you get dividend payment, which is payable by the companies based on their financial performance for the said period of payments. So you need to start trading now to enjoy these benefits.
All right. This says, hello, Smooth FM. This is from Dami O. This message says, does United Capital have an app that can help track personal financial management? One that would help keep and grow my money?
Yes. You know that. Thank you so much for your question. So remember at the beginning, I talked about our Invest Now, saying is a one-stop shop for all your investment needs. Yes. So on our platform, you can track your investments. You can track your monies. You can fund us automatically. Like I said, you could withdraw. You could do anything you want, and you also get to speak to us personally for advisory on your finances. Yes, if you want that.
All right, we have a lot of messages, so we're going to go through them really quickly. Simi Lelua says, I've always been interested in equities. How can I get started and how do I grow in equities?
Thank you, Simi, for your question. I personally love stock trading and I love equities. So to get started, all you need to do is download our mobile app or an App Store or Google Play Store. Follow the process to open an account, and when you open an account, you can fund and start to trade. So the good thing is that we would send you reports and recommendations on the best performing stocks across the sectors. That's what we do. We would guide you along the way, and we would periodically have seminars where we'll teach you on how to go about it. And not forgetting, I keep talking about the personalized service. Either you could talk to us or you could talk to us through the app on our chatbot, and you will be replied to immediately, and you get all the details you need. And yes. Yeah.
All right. Well, your answer also is a good answer for James, because James was asking how he could go about investing with as little as 1,000 naira and how to trade stocks. And you spoke about
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's go on to, I think this is okay. I'm trying to wait for this message to come in. David says, please share those tips again.
Yeah, like I said, you need to have good financial habits. You need to learn good money skills, and you need to unlearn bad money skills. So we're saying that stop living without a budget. That's very important. You need to learn how to appropriate. Stop living beyond your means. Stop procrastinating your investment. Stop lending money you can afford to lose. Stop borrowing money. Stop buying on impulse, and start investing now with United Capital. Go and invest now and start. That's going to help you, David.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Martha. Very insightful. And coincidentally, just yesterday, we spoke about people lending money to family and friends and never really getting it back. And a lot of people apparently have been stung. All right. Well, I have to say thank you so much for being here with us. And there are a few more questions coming in, but unfortunately, we're out of time. So what you can do is any questions that we couldn't respond to right here, you can actually tag United Capital on Twitter. They're at United Cap. That's UNITED Cap. And use the hashtag Money Minutes with UCap. And once again, thank you so much, Martha.
The pleasure's all mine. Thank you, ZB.
And that is it for Money Minute with United Capital. Comes every Thursday at 6:30 right here on the Smooth Drive.
Money Minute with United Capital PLC. United Capital PLC, the intelligent choice.